Peugeot has unveiled the 2023-408 crossover coupe. The 408 will be produced initially in France, and later in China. The 408 will have 3 powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid petrol with outputs of 180 PS and 225 PS, and a 3-cylinder PureTech petrol engine. 1.2-liter turbocharged 130 PS. The petrol engine will be replaced with a mild hybrid unit in late 2023, and a battery electric model called the E408 will follow. The 408 was only available with an automatic gearbox, with no manual option.
I said yes. I said yes.